Hey there guys, welcome to Imperial Gardens. We're doing box of 2012 top signatures for caliwest 323. Won this in Raz, so pick number box 12 for Andrew Luck. So good luck, sir. Hopefully I'll be at RG3 or luck here. So we have base of Jerry Rice. So I can't even see that number. Jerry Rice. We've got Bernie Kosar. Bernie Kosar. And we got a redemption. Prime signatures of Ronnie Hillman, Mr. Denver. Rookie patch signatures. Ronnie Hillman. And looks like the Ruby version of Darius Hayward for the Oakland Raiders. So not too bad at patch auto. Beats just the